am going to teach you a powerful cleansing technique, and the name of this cleansing technique is Kapalbhati Kriya or frontal brain cleansing. Yes, there are many people who practice Kapalbhati every day, but trust me, 90% of them doing wrong Kapalbhati. In this video, you are going to learn how to do correct Kapalbhati, what are the benefits of Kapalbhati, what are the precautions of Kapalbhati. So watch the video till end so that you don't miss any information. So if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification as soon as I upload any video. Namaste everyone, my name is Shaheeda and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Let's begin. There are many names of Kapalbhati: frontal brain cleansing, skull shining kriya, Kapalbhati kriya. Some says it is a pranayam, but actually Kapalbhati is a cleansing technique. Major benefits of Kapalbhati: it boosts your metabolism, it improves your digestive fire, promotes weight loss, it improves your overall blood circulation, it is good for your heart, it is good for your lungs, it helps to detox your body. Kapalbhati helps to boost your immunity, it helps to balances your hormone, it improves your focus and concentration as well. So let me tell you who should not do Kapalbhati. If you are a pregnant woman, during periods, hypertension, high blood pressure, any recent surgery, ulcer problem, or if you are suffering from epilepsy, severe back pain condition or fever, you should not practice Kapalbhati. And rest of the people should practice Kapalbhati under a certified yoga teacher only. For the practice of Kapalbhati, it is really important that your body is stable and comfortable. You can sit in any comfortable posture. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on the chair, anywhere. So right now I am sitting in a cross-leg position, keeping both the palms on the knee, joining the thumb and index finger together. So this is called Chinna Mudra. When the thumb and index finger is together, you are keeping both the palms on your knee and your palm is facing up toward the ceiling. And your spine should be erect. There should not be any tension on your face. Now we are ready for the practice of Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, we focus on our exhalation. Inhalation happens automatically, which means your exhalation is active and your inhalation is passive. Keeping the spine erect, bring your awareness at the nostril and you exhale like this. Like this. So, keeping the mouth closed, forceful exhalation. When you do this forceful exhalation, there is a contraction on your stomach happens rapid. It should not be like this. So this movement of your belly is involuntary. Like you are not doing it, it is happening because you are throwing your exhalation forcefully. So you need not to focus on your belly, you just focus on your exhalation, that's it. Or let me give you one more example. Imagine that there is a fly or mosquito here and your hands are like, you cannot move your hands and you want to make that fly or mosquito move. So how will you do? Like this. Yes. So let me show you how to do 10 times of Kapalbhati very slowly. If you are a beginner, you have to do Kapalbhati in this speed only initially. So keeping the eyes closed, keeping the spine erect. So this is the simplest way of doing Kapalbhati till the time you are not comfortable with the increasing the speed. So practice in this speed for next 1 to 2 weeks only, and then check if you are comfortable to increase the speed little. So if you are comfortable to increase the speed, I suggest to do 30 pumping only. How will you do? Keeping the palms to the knee, eyes closed, and like this. There should not be any tension on your facial muscles. There should not be any tension or movement on your shoulders. There should not be any movement on your spine. Let me show you how people do incorrect Kapalbhati also, so that if you are also doing this incorrect Kapalbhati, you correct it immediately. So they contract the face like this. So there should not be any tension on your facial muscles. Sometimes some people move their shoulder also, like so. Never move your shoulder, keep the shoulders relaxed. Third mistake, which is very common, people move the spine. How? So never move your spine, keep a nice erected spine. And third one is people do Kapalbhati keeping the eyes open. They look here and there. Always remember, you are practicing yoga to improve your awareness, to improve your focus and concentration, to become more aware about you. So if you keep your eyes open, that means you are connected from outside. So while doing Kapalbhati, your eyes should be closed, your face should be relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, there should not be any tension on your spine, nice comfortable seated posture, and you do Kapalbhati like this. Like this. So I hope this is clear now and you are not going to repeat these mistakes. Let me also share that how much a beginner should do Kapalbhati. If you are a beginner, do Kapalbhati 30 to 60 pumping. If you are not comfortable to do 60 continuous pumping, do 30 pumpings only. If you are an intermediate practitioner, do 100 pumping, repeat 3 sets. And if you are an advanced practitioner, it depends on you how comfortable you are. Let me also tell you, if you are doing incorrect Kapalbhati or if you are doing Kapalbhati beyond your limit, you will feel dizziness, you will feel headache, you might feel pain on your stomach if you are doing incorrect Kapalbhati. So you should also keep on checking your comfort as well. When should you practice Kapalbhati, or what is the best time to practice Kapalbhati? I suggest to do Kapalbhati early in the morning. As soon as you get up, finish your toilet job, then sit in a comfortable position and start doing Kapalbhati. In the morning, your stomach is completely empty. Or if you don't get time in the morning, you can practice Kapalbhati during sunset also in the evening, or you can do Kapalbhati during the afternoon, but ensure that the weather is not too hot and your stomach is empty. If you are having any meal and you had any meal, you should wait for minimum 3 to 4 hours, depend on what meal you had. Never practice Kapalbhati before going to bed. If you want to learn asanas, pranayama, meditation, deep relaxation and many more different yogic practices, you should definitely join my online yoga classes. These online yoga classes are conducted on Zoom Monday to Friday, Indian time 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Anybody can join these classes if you are a beginner, already a yoga practitioner, or if you are having any health condition. Let me also share this with you that there are many students who are practicing yoga under my guidance and they were having many health conditions like diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, high blood pressure, PCOD, PCOS problem, back pain, knee pain. And with consistent practice of yoga, there is a great change in their health condition. I highly recommend these online yoga classes to all of you. But if you are not able to join these yoga classes because of any reason, you can purchase my yoga courses also. In these yoga courses, I have designed 1-hour classes with proper sequence including asanas, pranayama, relaxation, everything. And these courses are beginner friendly. If you want to know more about these classes and these courses, you can visit my website which is mentioned here, www.yogawithshaheeda.com. or you can WhatsApp on this mobile number and you will get all the detail immediately. So I hope with my little effort you are able to understand how to do Kapalbhati, its benefits, its precaution and contraindication, and when to practice Kapalbhati. Do practice this powerful cleansing technique every day and you will see a great change in your health. If you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, do comment below. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Share this video with your loved one, with your friends or family, anybody who wants to practice Kapalbhati. Please take care of yourself and do practice yoga every day. See you all soon in next video. Namaste.